Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use camera timer on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and this is timer icon. If you want to use camera timer, so you will see if you want to select 2 minutes, 2 seconds, click on 2 seconds. If you want to select 5 seconds, click on 5 seconds. If you want to select 10 seconds, select 10 seconds. Select 2 settings, you will see. After 2 seconds, picture is captured. Select 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you will see picture is captured. If you want to select 10 seconds, you will see. After 10 seconds, picture is captured. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use camera timer on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.